Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. We're on the Silver Fox JV membership, the page where you become a team leader, where you can share and generate top quality leads for your best biz offers. I'm going to do some training today. I'm going to talk about the videos I make for my Silver Fox JV members. If you happen to be watching this video on the internet somewhere and if you're not on this page here, scroll down into the description of this video. There's going to be a link in there which you can click on. It'll bring you to this page here, all right? I have over 600 Facebook groups for just about every money-making opportunity you can imagine out there. When somebody joins one of my Facebook groups, what I do is I give that lead, that prospect, to my Silver Fox JV members. And this is what I do. I do a post. Welcome to our Facebook group. One of the requirements for your post to be approved in this group is to contact our team leader. And of course, if you are a Silver Fox JV member, your name would be in here. Request your free Facebook viral lead generating marketing system. So what that prospect's going to do is they're going to private message, private message, and of course, in this case here, your name, by clicking on the name and give him or her your referral link for your best business offer. And of course, I put an image here with a big arrow pointing up. For some reason, people can't seem to find what to do and how to do and where to go next. So I put a big arrow here. So when your Facebook video, viral lead generating marketing video is made, I will post it in the Facebook group and several other related groups. So let's work our way down here. As a Silver Fox member, these leads will be yours to do with as you wish. On a rotation basis, I assign those prospects who request a free video to the Silver Fox JV member, which may be you. So go ahead and join the Facebook group by clicking here. So let's click here. And this is the main Facebook group here. Silver Fox JV members viral YouTube lead generating videos team build. So this is where everything happens in this Facebook group of about 600. So you don't have to sign up as a member right away. You can watch every day. All you have to do is just join the group. How I make Facebook groups and videos for prospects, of course, giving the leads to my members. So using the Facebook Messenger, so let's take a look again here. The latest one was I gave to Dennis here. I gave this lead to Dennis James Cook. What you would do then to request your Facebook group and your video is, of course, you would click on Dennis's name here, and you would private message Dennis. Click here and give Dennis, in this case here, it could be somebody else, one of the other members, but we'll just pick on Dennis. Give him your best URL. And what I will do then, Dennis will give me the URL, and I'll go out there and make a Facebook group for you, for your best business offer, and a video. So as a JV member, your related referral links will also be in the description of their video, like the ones below. So let's pick on this one right here. Go ahead and click on one of the videos. We're going to click on this one right here. I'm not going to play the video because you can watch the video. But what I am going to do is get down in here. And this is the video I made for Ronald, which is one of Dennis's leads that I gave. I gave Ronald to Dennis as a lead. Now, Ronald's a free member. I made the video for Ronald here. In the title, I put all kinds of keywords so it would rank with the competition. In just a minute, I'll show you how it ranks. And Ronald's money-making opportunity, profit opportunities, guaranteed downline club. And here is Ronald's URL referral link. Of course, the video that I make for you is going to be just like this one here, but it's going to be, of course, keyworded for whatever money-making opportunity that you have. And, of course, keyworded for the title. And, of course, your referral link is going to be here. As we come down here, we're going to see that I also made a Facebook group for Ronald for Guaranteed Downline Club. So let's click through and take a look at it. Of course, the Facebook group is keyworded so that prospects, if they're looking for Downline Club and they type in some keywords on Facebook, they'll be able to find it fairly easy. So we work our way down here. I did a post down here for Ronald. And now what Ronald needs to do, and of course when I do one for you, what you need to do is you need to take this video and share it throughout Facebook and throughout the internet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share it real quick here, and I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to share it in one of my groups, all kinds of ways you can share it from this Facebook group. And we're going to share it to the Silver Fox Team Build group, which I showed you a few minutes ago. And post. And it's shared. So let's go take a look at it now. Okay, you remember this Facebook group. We were just on it a few minutes ago. So we work our way down. Here it is. Here's Ronald's. And we're going to see more. So I've made sure that Ronald's name is hot in here so that somebody's looking for Ronald, or if Ronald wants to find this. There's his name. And click on his name. Working our way down here, you can see that Dennis's name is also in here too. I've just notified Dennis that I've just shared the video I made for his lead, Ronald, here. I'm going to share it to one more group. I'm not going to spend too much time here. But I'm going to share it to another one of my Facebook groups. Remember, I have 600 of them. I'm going to share it to the Elite Downline Club, which is related, and post it over there. So that's what I do for you. I guess Downline Club doesn't work. Let's go to let's try to find one of my affiliate marketing. Let's see, affiliate marketing. I'll share it to this one here. Done deal. That's what you need to do. When I make a video for you, you need to get into that Facebook group that I made for you. Get in here and share it on your Facebook groups and the other Facebook groups that you belong to. That's how this works. Okay, we're back to the description of this video. Now, when you become a Silver Fox JV member, of course, what I'm going to do is take out your referral link. Now, this happens to be Dennis's referral link here for this sales page. Remember that sales page I was on? Let's click through. Right here. Okay. And I'll take out Dennis's referral link and I'll place your referral link in your video here. And of course, in the videos that I make for you from all those leads that I generate from my 600 Facebook groups. As we come down here, this is what you want to do. Now, you have to be a Silver Fox JV member to do this. You can join this one for free. This is a great lead generating system here, really simple system. Join it for free, and then, like I say, when you become a JV member, I'll replace Dennis's link here with yours. If we work our way down here, this is ads earn Bitcoin for you to join. I'll do the same thing here. Here's a program that's you need to become a distributor for this one, but when you do become a distributor, I'll take out this link here, and happens to be mine, and put your link in here. This is the Elite Downline Club. I'm going to be talking about that in another video, but it's free to join. And find your referral link, and I'll put your referral link in here. Prosperity Marketing System is free to join to get started, 7-day free trial. I'll do the same thing here. And of course down here is the software that I use to make this video here. And yes, when you become an affiliate of this software, Vidnami, I'll take out this link here and put your link in there. Okay, as you can see, if you type in Guaranteed Downline Club Leads, it's ranked #1. I have ways of ranking these videos. So when I do one for you, a video for your best money-making opportunity, I can rank your video typically at the top or sometimes down #2 or 3, but I rank them right with the competition here, all right? So I'm going to wrap this up. Remember, as a Silver Fox JV member, your referral links will be in your prospects, your leads videos that I make for you and them. So the only way your prospects can profit from those money-making opportunities is they must become a Silver Fox JV member. Of course, they can join for free and go out there and promote on their own if they want. But they cannot promote it in their videos unless they become a Silver Fox JV member, joining each one of these profit opportunities through you. They must join through you. Then Facebook message me with their referral links so I can replace your links with theirs. Hey, the majority of these profit opportunities in the description of the videos are free to join and earn. So there should be no problem having your prospects join those profit opportunities through you. Now, what's really neat about this system is if they don't join, your referral links will stay in their video forever. Pretty neat, huh? These will be your leads to do with as you wish. Plug them into your AWeber Get Response autoresponder system or wherever else that you want to plug them into if you have a different type of autoresponder system. Okay, that's it. That simple, that easy. You know what to do. If you're watching this video on the internet somewhere, just scroll down into the description and there's a link here that'll take you to this page here. If you're on this page here, of course, I'm going to have some more training videos scattered throughout on this page. So make sure you do watch all my training videos. All right, that's it. This is Harvey the Silver Fox. I'll be waiting for you inside. Let's go make some money.